Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'll be doing an unboxing video of Gods Triton X2 saddlebags. I bought this one from Amazon on a price of 3,399. I guess now the price has been changed to 3,499. But yeah, I bought this one for 3,399. And this is a 50-liter variant. They have 70-liter as well, which costs more than this one, but this was just fine for me to take it with my Royal Enfield Classic 350. So yeah, let's go to the product. And this is the company Gods, and you will see the logo here and the company name, the crown logo, and both these logos are fluorescent, which will get eliminated when light falls on this one. And as you know, the saddle bags are coming in a pair. There will be two bags that will keep on both sides of the bike, and yeah, these are two. And let's go to the build quality first. From a build quality perspective for this product, I would say this product is really awesome because the material they used is really of good quality, hard material, and it looks awesome. So yeah, from a build quality perspective, this is really nice. And the plastics they used in this product, these are of really good quality. You can see I'm trying to squeeze it. It's not getting squeezed because so that it's a really hard plastic they used, and of good quality. And the zips and runners they used, they are also of really nice quality, durable. All the products they used to build this product is of really good quality, so it looks very durable. And let's go inside of this product. Let's open it up, and the zip and runner looks really smooth. Let's open it. Okay, so when you open the product, you will see a pocket over here, where you can keep so something like if you have a camera, and you can keep the accessories for camera over here if required. So you will see two small pouches here in the lid of the bag. You can keep something here as well, like this, if you have a torch or something similar items, or some tools, you can keep it here, spanners, screwdrivers, something like that. Yeah, so this is really helpful. And let's go to the main container. And yeah, this is the main container. Let's see what is inside. Okay, so these are waterproof covers that can be used to cover these bags. We have two of them to cover both of these bags, and this is really useful when it is heavily raining. Otherwise, this material itself is just fine, because they says the material they use to build these products itself prevents the water from getting penetrated inside to an extent. And if it is heavily raining, yeah, of course you can use these two rain covers on these bags. Purpose inside, let's see what is that. Okay, so this one is the Triton X2 saddlebag. The price label and the company Gods the Almighty Gear, and their website address is roadgods.com, and they have a deck of cards kept inside. Let's see what it is. Oh, they have t-shirts. They have a wide variety of t-shirts available with them. The name is the Caesar series t-shirts, and the Satyr series thigh plus sling bag. It's a sling bag. You can purchase this as well from these guys. And this is Xeon R1 series tank bag. Yeah, this is also helpful. I mean, if you purchase this one, this can also be taken along with you while going for long rides. And yeah, the Triton X, this is something which we have right now with us. And the Ghost, it's a backpack. It's a backpack that can be purchased from these guys. And the Wolf camera bag, if you guys have a camera, you can keep it with you using this bag. And the Xeon R2 series tank bag. Yeah, this is something which is really helpful. I mean, if you have this one as well along with the saddlebags, it will be really helpful you to take more luggages with you while going for the long rides. And towards the rear side, yeah, to activate your warranty and claim a free gift. So in order to activate the warranty of this product, you have to email or WhatsApp the photo of your invoice. You need not send a photo of your invoice, because I'm not sure whether you are going to get an invoice, hard copy of invoice, when you purchase this product from Amazon. So to get that, you can go to the order details page of Amazon and get the invoice downloaded from there, and you can attach it in a mail, or you can put it in the WhatsApp number they provided here. Yeah, they have provided the number as well as email ID, so that you can get it activated from those guys. And you can claim a free gift as well. I mean, once you send this mail, you will be asked for your address again by these guys, and you can get a free gift. So I got this gift 2 days back. I will show you that. So this is a free gift those guys sent to me. Yeah, this is a water bottle, but I'm not sure whether this is good plastic or not. But yeah, still this looks really awesome. So this was a gift they sent to me. And this is Triton X series Saddlebag user manual, and you will see all the details, how to and the features. Yeah, capsule rain covers, and they say this is a patented one, patented convertible saddlebag. Yeah, this is one of the main feature they are saying, like this can be easily converted to, this is a convertible saddlebag, this can be easily converted to backpack as well, which is really helpful for the riders, because they can take the bag along with them when they move away from their vehicle. Yeah, so this is really nice feature, but I didn't try it yet. Yeah, I will be doing another installation and a sampling video of the same product later, so I will be showing all these stuffs then. And tools and utility kit, laptop and tablet compartment, holder straps, bottle holder and zipper pockets. Yeah, all these features. And specifications, the material. Yeah, as I told you, this is highly rugged 1000 denier water resistant ballistic nylon. So this material itself is water resistant to an extent, and if it is heavily raining or something like that, you can go for this waterproof covers. And capacity expandable up to 75 liters, that's X1 variant, and 45 liters X2 variant. So this one is Triton X2 variant. And how the material is constructed, all these details you will find here. And the assembling, yeah, the same. I will be doing an assembling video later, or you can find all the assembling details over here in the last pages of the manual. And mounting, how to mount this product on your bike, all these details coming in here. And the warranty terms and the process, how to get a warranty, the same instructions which I gave you earlier, like you have to send the invoice copy to these guys, or you can put it in the WhatsApp number. Yeah, that's it about the manual. Now let's see space inside. Yeah, the main container looks really spacious. I think this is just enough for a rider to take his basic stuffs along with him. For me, it's just fine because I'll be taking very basic stuffs with me while going for long rides. So this space is just enough for me to keep my luggage. And you will see a flap over here. So it's a hard material to keep the base of this bag steady. So if you don't want this one, you can just remove it, and if required it can be placed. So that's about this one of the pair. And let's move to the other one. As same as the other. Let's open this one. The other one has a pocket over here on the lid of the bag, but you won't find that one here. And other than that, they have a pouch here. They have a pocket, a big pocket here. So they kept a really nice padding in this one because in order to protect the items that is being kept in this one, because you can keep camera items or other delicate items over here, because this container has enough padding. Or even small laptops, I would say, you can even small laptops can be kept inside this one. And yeah, the main container same as the other one. Here also you will see a flap, a detachable flap, and just similar to the other one, a pouch over here, a pouch over here in front of the bag, and two pouches inside, and a water bottle pouch here, and a small one in the other side, a small pocket in the other side. So this is all about the Triton X2 saddlebag. So I would really recommend this product for the long riders, so that they can take enough luggage with them using this one. And yeah, this is of really good quality. The build quality is really awesome. So yeah, I would really recommend it. Go for this one, guys. Thanks, guys. So I will be coming with another video on how to install it, how to assemble this one very soon. Till then, bye. And if you like this video, hit the like button at the bottom of this one, and also hit the subscribe button. Thanks, guys. Bye bye. See you again.